When this is Raju sir. I am currently pursuing at Shivantex College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today I am going to discuss about data flow diagram of ARM processor. Introduction. A data flow diagram of ARM processor instructions the flow of data within the processor. It helps in understanding how data moves between different components of the processor. This presentation will explain the key components and data flow in the ARM processor using suitable examples. Components of ARM processor. The key components of ARM processor include the arithmetic logic unit, registers, control unit, and memory. The ALU performs arithmetic and logical operations on data. Registers store temporary data and addresses during processing. Data flow in ARM processor. Data flow in the ARM processor starts with instruction being fetched from memory and stored in the instruction registers. Control unit decodes the instructions and coordinates the flow of data between different components. The ALU performs operation on data based on the decoded instructions. Example, fetching instructions. In fetch stage, the control unit sends a signal to memory to fetch the next instruction. The fetched instruction is stored in the instruction register for decoding. This process continues until all instructions are fetched. For example, decoding instruction. The control unit decodes the instruction stored in the instruction registers. Based on the decode instruction, the control unit determines the operation to be performed. The control unit then sends signal to all ALU, that is called arithmetic logic unit, and other components for execution. This is the example of the instruction of the decoding instruction. Another one example of the instructions, execution of instructions. During the execution stage, the ALU performs the specified operation on the data. Rules of the operation are stored in registers or memory based on the instruction. The control unit ensures the correct flow of data between components for smooth execution. This is another one example of the execution of the instructions. These are the data flow diagram of ARM processor. The data flow diagram of the ARM processor typically includes components like arithmetic logic unit, registers, control units, and memory connected by arrows representing by data flow. The diagram shows how data moves between components during the fetch, decode, and execute stages. It provides a visual representation of data flow within the processor. The main benefits of the data flow diagram. Understanding the data flow in the ARM processor helps in optimizing performance and identifying bottlenecks. It aids in debugging and troubleshooting issues related to data movement within the processor. Data flow diagram serves as a valuable tool for designers and developers to improve processor efficiency. Conclusion. The data flow diagrams plays a crucial role in understanding the internal working of ARM processor. By visualizing how data moves between components, engineers can design more efficient and reliable processor systems. For example, provide the presentation demonstration, the practical application of data flow diagram in ARM processor, and also this is the conclusion of the data flow, and main reference for the data flow in the ARM processor. ARM architecture reference manually. It is a ARM V7A and ARM V7R. These are the what different versions and of the edition. Introduction to ARM processor by Cambridge University. ARM developer. These are the websites we referred for the ARM process data flow Thank you.